Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So my today's topic is stop wasting your energies and your time on useless things like negative people, people with wrong attitude, and people who have a very narrow mind. So how you can do that? It's not that very easy to do things. It's very easy to say. I of course know that wasting your time on this kind of people is something that you are wasting your energies on wrong things. It's that you are wasting possibilities, you're ignoring the possibilities of your life. You can achieve your success. So how can you do that? Today I will not talk about exactly how will you reach the success, because it's not just that you will ignore these persons and you will achieve your success. To achieve a success requires lots of time, and it goes on step by step. When you clearly observe that why you are achieving something very lately, or why it's taking time to achieve something, so all this requires step. Universe also follows step, so we have to here understand with steps. Today I will be guiding you about the initial stages. How can you make yourself eligible to think about that you can make a career in life, or you can spend your life in a different way. So if you feel you are stuck in between people, maybe various girls who get stuck in with in-laws, various other people also who have their families and they have very narrow mind, or they don't have this understanding power to know the world, or to understand that things are changing. It's not that you will sit at home and you will be slave to others and you will be uneducated, or you cannot do things in your life. So this kind of primitive thinkings make these persons think this negative way, and somewhere you will find that this person's fear to take challenges in life, to do something in life, because they feel at every moment at every step of their life, they always want the opinions of other people. So when other people's don't give that proper opinion, like don't accept things, so hence these people also feel that no, these are not easy to do in life, or we should not try on such challenging tasks, or we should not let our own children to follow such tasks. So these people, generally primitive thinking people, have some traits you will understand as they try to listen to people, they try to get opinions from people, they try to get answer from people, praise from people. So this is why they cannot do anything in life, because when it's most of the time when you decide to do something, maybe the society is against you, but you silently have to approach your task. When you will do things silently and your success will speak hugely, then people are going to value, and people are going to appreciate you, and they are going to follow your example. So the initial stages would not be very easy. So here you will have to understand how can you shift your direction through your thinking process. So when you find that you are between people, or you are among the people that who have so much negative thinking, or they try to pull you down, so in that way what you have to do, you have to set boundaries, because you have to physically stay with those persons, but you can think the way you want. You have that independence to think of your own. So you cannot show this person. So you have to have some alone time of yourself, and in that alone time you have to think whatever you love in life, you have to value in your life. So how can you value yourself in your life? In my own case, I was also around such kind of people. So what I did is I shifted myself away from them. I shifted my mind's direction, my thinking process. I started to think about that on what good things I am best, and on what things I can work, and what are the unique things I have in myself. What are the things that God and universe has gifted me? So I found that I am able to solve people's life problems through my examples. So here I am making videos that would help other people. So in this way you can also do things that would help you to grow in life or achieve your desired goals. So try to make some goal in your life as your friend, and try to work on them. Try to create passion for that goal. Try to try to set your life a direction. When you give yourself a direction and you start to work on that, you will get huge success, and some surprising success which you may not have expected in life. So before that, you have to keep away from this kind of people. If you cannot do that physically, try to do that mentally. You have to think something else. Maybe you are sitting with them, but you can think for yourself. You can decide things for yourself in your mind. Because when you start to think about something, you get ideas, and when you argue strongly for something, there becomes a idea, there becomes a path. So many people ask me questions that it is not that easy, because many people want to do this that they cannot do, because their family is not permitting, their husband is not permitting. So you have to wait for a certain period of time thinking about that. You have to wait for the moment. So how much time it is, it depends on individuals, or depends on your own luck. In life, luck also plays a role, but luck's role is not 100%. You have to work 80%, and the rest 20% you can leave it on luck. When you have done your work, you should not expect what is going to happen. It would happen through universe. You can people who have read Bhagavad Gita, there it's clearly written that you just keep on working, and you don't expect what's going to have, what reward you are going to get from that. If you don't expect, you will find that you are getting things more than you have expected, and that would give you immense happiness. But one more thing is to understand is that the path, when you start to work on something, the path you should enjoy that path, that journey, because it's a long time journey. Once you have reached your destination, how long you are going to wait on there? So don't expect happiness from your success. Try to expect happiness from the path you are going through, or the journey you are making. So next thing is, try to set boundaries within your mind. If you say to these people that I'm not going to talk to you, or please go away from my life, so these persons, if they are good mentality, they will understand. If they are toxic mentality, they are not going to understand. So you better should not reveal anything. Try to do things of your own. Then you have to set your mindset in such way that you have to think positive about yourself, about your goal. So next comes, you have to make a research for whatever you are thinking you want to do, how much demanding is it on market. So this way you can shift yourself from them, and this will be a path of success. And when it's about your mental conditions, you have to do things whichever you like. Don't show these people, don't be too much exposed to these people who are creating a hamper in your life. So you have to do things, you have to spend alone times, you have to learn to spend alone times. I have a video about that, you can go and check and learn how to enjoy your alone times. You have to learn to be alone. If you want to get success in life, you have to to live for yourself. You have to think that you care for yourself. You should develop self love attitudes when you are within toxic peoples. So the much you start to focus on your life, your mind will stop thinking about those kind of people, and in that way you will get the relax you want in your life. You will get the peace in your life, and your emotions, energies, your mind, your actions, everything will shift to a new direction with new possibilities. So stop wasting your time with this kind of people, because this kind of negative people always try to pull you down. They're not going to make you help. They're not going to help you in any way, because they cannot help themselves. So how they can help you? Try to create your strong personality. So friends, I hope this was helpful to you. Try to watch these videos and try to understand whatever I am speaking to you. So I hope you have got a clear idea how to make your energies, emotions work for you. I have a video on that, and this is about how you can shift yourself and make utilize of your valuable time, and stop wasting your time, your energies, your emotions on stupid things, negative peoples. Thank you friends. Love you all. Bye bye.